Yesterday, I was followed by at least 20 stray dogs, different dogs at different intervals. Some of them even circled me, and I cannot tell you how grateful I was for their presence. One hello, one pat, and they were ready to protect me in the face of any danger. But what did I need protection from? I'm an adult woman who was walking on the streets of Delhi at about 3 a.m. with my friends who were also females. Why did I need any protection? Because in the matter of about 10 to 20 minutes, 5 cars stopped near us, slowed down to stare, pass comments, misbehave, and whatnot. When my friends started walking faster, they were told, "We aren't even annoying you. Come on." The dogs barked at them and shooed them away because they could sense the intentions and vibes. We were literally followed by absolute angels while their territories lasted, and then the next pack would take lead. They ensured we were safe. If you really think that it was our fault being out at night, then know this. As I was writing this in the metro at 2:57 p.m. on a Friday afternoon, a man sat right opposite to me staring me for at least 15 minutes. I feel safer with the strays on the road, the same stray dogs who are labeled nuisance, a danger to society, and a menace. I think it's the society that's dangerous, it's the society that's a menace. I picked up a stone because I was scared of humans. The dogs who are hit with the same stone by members of my species each day ensured that I am safe. If there is one thing that everyone should have in their life, it's the friendship of a dog. A stray dog who has nothing materialistic to offer but is ready to offer you their world is the purest living being you'll ever come across. I hope you get to experience their friendship. Every female watching this right now is reminded of a similar incident. The time, situation, place might be different but not the constant feeling of being unsafe. If you are comfortable in sharing your experience, then please do so in the comments so that we can let people know that it's not the time, not the clothes, not us that leads to this. It is not us.